for her. No need for me to be in the camera.
My hair is not good. See? My hair is not good because too much keratin, too much, what is this name?
Color.
Color, and after damage. She's good beautician.
Thank you. So I will be using this one later. You like your blower?
Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much, Madam Bonita.
Enough. We'll do the wavy. It's going to be like this. Now I will open it. Like that. That's how we want it. That's how I want it my way. Okay. Then I will put this. Thank you, my dear.
Okay, my dear madam.
And then I will spray this. A little. Yeah, that's how we want it, guys. So, what do you think? It's nice, yeah? So, I will show you later after I finish everything. Do you like it?
Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much.
Aww. So bye guys,
Bye.
and please subscribe to my channel,
Yeah.
Benitaogalesco. Bye-bye.